So in my last video, I showed you how to set up advanced custom fields, and what we did was we created a custom field for the home page, and that was used to fill out this message here. Um, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about custom post types and how to register them, and um, I guess for this theme, we can use the slider, or each slide is a custom post type. And what we'll do is we'll create the post type called slide, and then in each slide we'll just loop through it on the home page, and we'll pull in the title, the caption, and the image. And we'll do that using the advanced custom fields for I don't know, adding a caption box and a title and an image. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we got to do is head over to our functions.php file, and I'm using Sublime Text 2 with a combination of a WordPress plugin I have for easy WordPress development. What I'm going to do down here is just go down to the very end and create a comment block that you can't see, and then I'll create register the slide post type. And you'll need to use a function, and I'll show you what it is. Let me get some space going here, and I'll even zoom in. And the function is going to be called register post type. As you can see, it's already highlighted down there. That's what we need. So I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that didn't actually give me all the options that I'm used to seeing. If you watch my old videos, you'll know that when I do things like use a register sidebar, I'll get all these, predefined parameters that this argument sets. Well, for this one, I guess it doesn't. It's no big deal. If you ever find yourself using a function in WordPress and you don't really know what arguments it takes in, or which parameters you can set, you can always come here to the codex on WordPress.org, and then you just type in the function name, and you'll be able to pull up everything about it. So register post type, and then most of the time it'll have a block of code that shows you all the labels or the details about it. So here's one down at the bottom, and let's go ahead and copy all of this. Right, let's copy all this, and this has a couple of things that I'll explain. I'll just highlight that, paste all of this here. So really quickly, what we're going to do is create a function, and it's going to be called codex custom init. And then within that function, we're going to register the post type of books. We'll actually change this to slides, and then we'll pass through all these arguments here. Then after that, once the function is complete, or once we have it coded out, we'll add it to the init. It's the global WordPress function. Instead of codex underscore custom init, I'm just going to change this to something else, just to make it a little more readable, I guess. I'm going to change it to create underscore slides underscore post underscore type, just so that you can use this for reference, so in the future you'll know exactly what this function does, because codex custom init can be a little bit confusing, but basically it's a function setting up a custom post type. Now I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna use my editor here, and I'm just gonna hit Command D, or if you're on Windows you can hit Control D, and I'm gonna select every instance of books. And actually, why don't I just highlight book, because I'm extra lazy. I'll select every instance of book, and I'm just going to change that to slides, or slide actually. So, oops, there we go. Slide, singular name, slide, add new slide, edit, view, search slides, I'll lowercase that one, and that one, and that one. You don't have to do that, but that's just me being weird. All right, and you'll see what these do in a minute. But basically, when you're adding a post, you see all of these in the dashboard, and I'll show you in a second. For the labels, let's see, leave all this stuff true for now. And for the rewrite and the slug, we can put slide, but since we're not going to really use it like a post, it doesn't matter. There won't be a slide page template, for example. I'm just going to use it to generate some slides for the slider. But here's an important one on 156, supports array. Now, what this does is it adds those default fields to your page. So as you can see, pretty standard with every post type comes title, editor, author, thumbnail, excerpt, comments. For the purpose of this, why don't we just delete everything? Because we're going to use advanced custom fields. And then register post type, be sure to change that one to slide. And I think that's it. Let me go ahead and save it. Then I'll go back over to my site and let me log in really quick. And what did I say? Oh, yeah, it was admin. I'll log in. Now when you, well, just kind of ruined it, but yeah, here's your slides tab now. And all those labels we added earlier that said like no slides found and add new, whatever, are here. So when we add it, the only thing we kept as an option was the title. And in the next video, we'll go through custom fields and we'll create 3 new fields, one for the title, one for the caption, and then one for the image. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.